Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm coming to the assessment center first. All this you have done, right?
Yes.
You understand all this you understood. So you know that there are competencies and they have to be measured.
Mm-hmm.
And we said there are many ways I can assess.
Mm-hmm.
This you saw?
Yes. But for which method is implement for which purpose, that I need to little
That you
bit
need to
clarify.
understand.
Yes.
Selection of something like this.
Yeah, this thing is not clear to me.
Yeah. So if I'm going to make, I have to make something. I have to get something like this. Now, this is not something which you can do without having some background in it. You have to read up a lot more.
Mm-hmm.
You can look at the certain assessment center games
Okay.
which are already available in books. So if I look at Pfeiffer, Pfeiffer gives a very good set of books of games, and it tells you exactly. For instance, if I just think about it logically, where can I use group exercises?
Mm.
What can I do if you were to design it? Just imagine, don't think about it as a course or anything. But if I want to test someone's ability to get along with people,
Mm.
to do networking, to be able to manage conflict,
Mm.
I will put that person in a group and see how it works.
Yes. Okay. Fine.
Isn't it? So I will use group exercises for looking at communication related things, for instance. I can also see, okay, maybe group exercises might be very good to see leadership related stuff.
Okay.
I can look at group exercises for what else? Ideally, these are the things. Communication exercises. If I want to see some, so normally behavior
Mm.
of with groups will come
Mm.
at in group exercises.
Okay.
If I'm looking at presentation, I'm looking at communication related. It's
Mm.
more one to many. Group is one to many also. Presentation is also one to many, but I am the faculty and I have to give answers. So will I get angry? I can use conflict management. Like as a faculty, I might have a conflict with a participant,
Mm.
right? So I'll see the conflict management style of the person.
Okay.
Will the person get what is the? I can check out EQ in presentations. In group exercises also, I can see somebody's emotional intelligence.
Okay.
In a group, I can do that, right? If I see I throw something and make you fight. Now, some people even in a group will not fight. They'll say, okay, it's your fight, it's your normal thing. Your opinion versus my opinion, I'm fine. I don't have to have a fight with you. I will stick to my opinion. You can stick to your opinion.
Okay.
But some person will get into a big aggressive mode and say, yes, everything you say is wrong, and I'm going to take your trip and lose the balance. So that becomes typical as conflict management, uh, way you to handle groups, facilitation skills, ability to do verbal thinking, verbal ability. Someone asks you a question, how do you answer? Can you be logical? Can you be structured in your presentation?
Okay.
That becomes, so if you just start applying, just think, because we get, oh my God, it's a big job. Actually, you're doing it. Fact finding exercises, this is obviously very analytical. So does a person think in a structured way? Is he very conscientious? Is he detailed? Role plays is things for conflict, again, customer care, listening skills, clarity of expression, again, interpersonal.
Mm.
Social events is to see social skills. What is the self-image of the person? Like if I go, it can be something as simple as even how does this person eat? Does he have sensitivity? So if I'm going to call somebody for an interview or for lunch, I will observe how is this person behaving.
One thing I just want to interrupt, madam. That if I am making some group of employees who are in data entry related work or doing everyday entry, like as my industry is logistics, so there are many challan entries, CN entries are. So this entry related job, what they are doing, they are coming in such a assessment technique anyway. I can put them in
Yeah,
such a.
these are generic things. Even at the senior most, you will still use the same game, maybe.
Okay. So in that case, that group exercise only I can use, or this.
It depends on what you want to assess.
Okay.
I can't, if I want to check someone's analytical skills, I can't give them a group exercise. No?
Okay.
So
Okay.
a lot of times you'll say, okay, I want to check someone's analytical skills. I'll have to give them an analytical skills test only.
Okay. Then please continue.
So same way, ability testing, we already know what you do in your MBA and all that. So do you have the right IQ?
Hmm.
Do you have qualitative thinking, quantitative? What is required for the job? Do you need qualitative thinking, quantitative thinking, numerical ability, spatial
Yes, yes,
thinking?
yes. The
Those
aptitude tests like that.
aptitude tests. Then you have tests for productive thinking. That is nothing but creative thinking. So give
Hmm.
them an exercise and see whether you can do creative thinking exercise and how this person thinks.
Hmm.
Case studies, we already know, they are normally for assess your analytical things. Drafting is how well this person writes. Because if
Drafting
your
is.
job requires you to do a lot of writing, then you need to
Mhm.
know drafting.
Okay. Writing skills, I think.
Yeah. Then we have in tray.
Hmm.
In tray is nothing but you have it's where you have a list of activities which are put in different pieces of paper like letters. It's you have to imagine it's like a you are supposed to be like a manager. You have just come in and come to work on a Monday morning, and your job is to go through your mail and make a decision as to what you will do first and what you. So how will you prioritize? Well, in tray, out tray used to be there when you probably were not there, you were not born maybe, but you're earlier, there used to be this tray. So in the morning when you come, this is in tray. In the night, you should finish off everything, it's in the out tray.
Okay.
So how did you plan your day? We give you one sheet and you work it out.
That
So
is
as a manager, yeah, it's prioritizing.
prioritizing.
Behavioral event interview is your structured interview, competency based interview.
Hmm.
Psychometric testing. So in depending or you can do a psychometric test to see whether the person has the. So I want an extrovert person. Does a person, if he's got an extrovert personality, you're as a team leader, you have to be more extrovert. You find that in your company, all people who are doing well in the company are all extrovert. So I do a test and I can check. I can check extroversion through a psychometric test as well as you have to do everything twice, right? You have to test it twice. So you'll have a one there and one more.
Hmm.
That's all.
Okay.